Hello, or hola. The orange body is here to read you a little Spanish I made up in this, or to call it Espanol. It may seem a little useless, but it's just a list I made up, and though you can't use it together, I thought, might learn a few new words. So here I'm going to read them to you. Un dolor en mi cabeza. A headache in my head. Cantar, sing. Escribir, write. El baño, the bathroom. Habla, speak. Yo no sé. I don't know. ¿Dónde está mi casa? Where is my house? In la bolsa? In the bag. Spelled in ashes. Candy, or commonly referred to caramel. Bebido, drink. ¿Qué pasa? What past is going on, or what is happening? Es no bueno, is no good. Es rota, is broken. El gato es en la cama. The cat, male in parentheses, because it's referring to a male cat, is in the bed. Hasta luego. Goodbye, until later. And that was our Espanol lesson for today. I'm the Orange Body, signing off. Thank you.